What it do. Tip of the day is practice. I know we think of practice as something physical, fitness or sports, but I'm talking about mental and spiritually, right? We need to practice. So when I started my journey of getting right with God, I had to practice things, right? As far as situations that I knew I would get angry in, I had to practice those and have those visions of, okay, how am I going to handle this? So I literally practiced them in my head. So when it came, I could do it, right? When it came to porn, I knew certain things would trigger me to want to watch porn. So I had to have those visions in my head that I could overcome them, right? Okay, when this happens, I usually do this. Okay, so how am I going to act? So I played it out in my head. And over time, I started to beat it because I practiced it. I went over and over and over again. Even though it didn't physically happen, mentally, I was getting prepared for it. Spiritually, I was getting prepared for it. So keep your mind right. Stay focused. What are you next to get? Practice. Let's go. Bam.